Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jingalang jui kan hun menteri hakash photre klalingkot aratar phausan klaminjur ban mang pisah his pak Klur ha ka Corpus fund nagbenta ban Ïarap iki Nongrep Synsar badi ki Nongrep Kwai ha ka por bagi kendo jing haba ka dorde ha ka yo ka hat ka hiar dor shikadai ha ka jing kan kelar pathai kubor uminirang ba ka jella ukon rat ke sangma ulong bakumba ka long minta ka dor jong Synsar ba ka dor jong Kwai kam june kumju Hakikin dia senam balik no, bagani ada yang biteng ru haduk minta. Nomor kata, ke Sorkar kala Shimrai, bagi Ïarap ya ki Nongrep, bagi light ni ki jing bagi ya kendo, lima ke skim ke tip kum ke CM Assure.
Very, very important decision that was again taken by the cabinet today was a new program which we are calling CM Assure. This CM Assure program is a market intervention scheme for farmers in situations where the market price of the crops, especially the non-perishable, we talk about non-perishable crops, when they are down in the market, the government has decided to keep a corpus of 100 crores to intervene in these situations so that the farmers during this distress are supported and helped. These are being done specifically for non-perishable products, and to be very, very more particular, we have seen that the market price for broomsticks and the market price for areca nut has been very unstable in the last few years, and it continues even today. And therefore, we feel a very strong need for intervention from the government side to be there to procure these products and then resell them, and through the marketing boards this process to be done. Now just to share with you, because I don't want anybody to misunderstand this, that we are doing multiple programs and policies and schemes to support our farmers. Processing units so that the farmers' perishable products are not lost is a program where more than 200 plus processing units are being set up. 30 of them are large scale units where minimum 5,000 to 10,000 farmers in each of these large processing units are being supported. These schemes are there to help the perishable products. So for example, if you have the jackfruit, you have different fruit products, they've been converted into chips, into juice, into powder, into ice cream. So we are doing interventions for pineapple, packaging and processing being done in Riboy. We're going to have a very large processing unit that's going to come up for ginger in Riboy district, because Riboy is a large producer of ginger. So at multiple levels, interventions are being done to support the farmers. But when it comes to non-perishable products like broomstick and areca nut, there is a limited scope of support, and therefore this system is being conceptualized and today it's been passed by the cabinet. It is an intervention. It is not any kind of a MSP or any kind of a support. These are purely market interventions based on the market cycle, based on the distress that is there, based on the particular year. These interventions either will be done or will not be done. So it's not that it's going to be done every year at every time, but we felt that it is important to keep a mechanism in place that whenever such distress is there for the farmers, then we can activate this mechanism to then help the farmers so that at least a basic income can come into them, and the marketing board will then figure out how we'll be able to resell this to different parts of the state or the country, and even export the products if necessary. So this is a new scheme which is called CM Assure, and we're very happy to announce that broomsticks and areca nut will be addressed this year. The broomstick farmers are facing a lot of problem. They have met me, in fact, from East Khasi Hills broomstick farmers. They had come and met me about 2 months back, and that is what triggered this particular thought process to come up with a program that would give some kind of relief during distress times. And therefore, we are happy to announce this program. As I said, for this year, we have kept a budget of 100 crores from the state, and we're getting about 20 crores from Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India, to further support this particular program, because Government of India also has a scheme, but they have limited amount. So therefore 100 crores will be committed from state government and 20 crores from the center. And this will be a pool that will keep revolving, because we'll buy the products to the marketing boards, we will sell it, the money will come back into this pool, and we'll keep rotating it and intervene as and when required in the market to help the farmers, especially, as I said, for the non-perishable products.